Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'll be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Kia Sportage 1.7 CRDi 3, which is a diesel manual. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages. If you'd like to inquire on this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 474. To start off with then, this car has LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions, as well as 19-inch alloy wheels in a 5 split-spoke design, contrasting very nicely against the premium phantom black colouring of this car. As we head to the rear seats, you'll be able to see the black leather interior, really adding a feel of luxury to the car. The middle seat does fold down to provide a dual cup holder as well as an armrest for either passenger, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. As we move round to the boot, you can also see the car has privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any belongings or passengers travelling with you have the privacy they desire. As we open up the boot, you can see you have a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large suitcase, perhaps even a pushchair. This would be suitable if you were planning on taking a lot of luggage with you, for example if you were going on holiday. As we move round to the front of the car, you will be able to see your multifunctional steering wheel, as well as your entertainment display and your climate control. And as we pan round to the seats, you'll be able to see that this car has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a brilliant feature to have, especially in those hot months, as you can just have it open whilst the sun is shining, just to make the car a bit cooler. That's it for your interior and exterior tour. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. To start off with then, you have your electronic window and wing mirror adjustments, as well as your different light settings and lane keep assist. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you will find your cruise control options as well as hands-free options and voice control. And as we take a look at the dash, you can see that this car has done 73,878 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your entertainment display, you have your navigation system, good for helping you plan any journey you may take in this car. DAB radio, which is played through JBL speakers, enhancing your listening experience. Bluetooth connectivity to answer those important calls whilst on the go. This car does support Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, meaning if you plug in your phone via USB, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto will come up. You also have a rear camera which allows you to manoeuvre around in those difficult parking situations. If you press the climate button, your climate temperature and air direction is displayed on the screen, making it easier for the driver to see. To adjust the climate control, you use the dials, and as well as this, you have front heated seats. Beneath that, you have two 12-volt sockets, a USB and an aux port, as well as your auto stop start controls, a dual cup holder and a handy centre storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video on this Kia Sportage 1.7 CRDi 3, which is a diesel manual. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages specifically tailored to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.